Hi, I'm Sarah giving you the info you need at twice the speed. And this is Rhino Africa's travel tips. Today we're asking, what should I pack for travel to Cape Town? The vital question. No one wants unnecessary weight in their bag. And besides, you want that extra space for clothes and art you're going to pick up here for a bargain. So let's break it down for you. Let's look at summer first. Our summers are great down here. Just thinking of it gets me a little happier. The temperatures range from 24 to 34 degrees Celsius, which is about 75 to 95 in Fahrenheit. So you'll want light clothing and of course your bikini and beach towel. With weather like that, exploring is natural, so bring along your hiking boots. And after a day's adventure, you'll want to head out to town, so put in your little black dress or nice shirt. You need to be aware, however, that the weather can be temperamental and 4 seasons can come through in just one day. So bring a jersey so you can layer up if needs be. And then there's winter. For our friends from the Northern Hemisphere, this is nothing like your winter, with temperatures ranging from 12 to 25 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, that's 55 to 75. Many of our winter days are clear, still, and slightly chilly. So bring your sunglasses, you might still need them. But it does, of course, rain, so pack a nice warm jacket and hat. Bring along pants and shirts, wear those layers. And remember to include those hiking boots too. You'll still get the chance to get outdoors. To find out more about Cape Town or anything related to travel in Africa, visit our website, rhinoafrica.com. And if you enjoyed this video, share the love for Africa by liking, sharing, and commenting below. I'm Sarah, this was Rhino Africa's travel tips, and you are one step closer to Africa.